To make this gravy, I'm gonna take 2 fillets of Basa fish and cut it into small pieces. We will need ginger, garlic, salt, turmeric, 1 medium-sized lemon and 1 cup of besan powder. To begin with marination, we'll squeeze half a lemon into the besan powder and we'll add some freshly pounded ginger garlic paste along with turmeric and salt into the marinade. I'm coating this marinade individually on each pieces so that there is no remaining marinade left and our pieces are evenly coated. Now I need some more ginger and garlic paste for the curry, and I'll be using some shallots, onion, lemon, some split chilies, 1 cup of besan powder, about 3 tomatoes roughly chopped, and some curry leaves. This is some ginger garlic paste that I've just made, fenugreek seeds, jeera, turmeric, paprika or lal mirchi and coriander powder. I am using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once it's hot, we can add jeera and then add onions. Once the jeera splutters, we'll add onions and saute them well. I'm adding ginger and garlic paste that we had made and saute them again till they are translucent and the raw smell goes off. It's almost done. We can add tomatoes. Saute them again. Keep it on a low flame so that we do not burn this sauteed veggies. Let's simmer it and cover it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep checking and give it a quick stir. Let's take a pan and heat it. Once it's heated, we can add some oil to fry our fish, which is being kept aside. It's been 2 minutes and I'll start flipping this over slowly because these are very tender and you have to exercise a lot of caution. Oops. Okay. Let me just grind this meanwhile. We'll grind it into a fine paste, as you can see. Oh, this fish is almost done and it's time to take them out. Follow this for all the remaining fishes. So I've taken the previous oil in which we had fried this fish. The fish is ready. I have mixed some lemon juice with water and besan here, which would be pouring last. Now as the oil is getting heated, we'll add fenugreek seeds or methi seeds and allow it to splutter. To this I'll be adding some curry leaves. It's better to tear so that all the flavors are released. Then the split chilies that I have kept. Once this is crispy and fried, we'll add our onion and tomato paste with ginger garlic. Let's combine this onion tomato puree well and cover the lid for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's just check how it looks. Well, you can see there's some oil getting released from this. And this is the point where we add all the spices. So in goes our turmeric, some mirchi powder or the paprika. Let's combine them again. We'll add some coriander powder. Let's give it a good mix so that it gets cooked well. We kept this for 2 to 3 minutes on sim. Just give it a quick stir. A little bit of water. And our besan with lemon juice and a little bit of water. This is gonna give the required consistency, the thickness for our gravy, as well as it would be slightly tangy because we have added enough tomatoes and lemon juice. Let's cover it and keep it on sim. The gravy and the spices have been combined well. Now we can just give it a stir and add fish pieces into this one at a time. Here goes our fish pieces. Add some water so that we have a good amount of gravy into this. Slowly stirring it so that we do not break the fish pieces. And just giving a quick shake to ensure the fish is well below the gravy. And now we can cover it and keep it for about 5 minutes. Once this comes to a boil, you can turn off the gas and you can just plate it out. Look how beautiful the gravy is, rich, thick and creamy. See this. So let's plate it out now. It's all ready to be served. You can accompany it with some rotis, fulkas, rice. I'm gonna however serve it with the Kerala rice. So our Basa fish curry is ready to be served. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for interesting videos.